Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is a job notification for IBPS, that is Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. For information, IBPS is under Ministry of Finance. This is a job notification for Specialist Officer under IBPS. Let's see what are the posts. There are 6 posts: IT Officer, Agriculture, Rashtrawa Adhikari, Law Officer, HR Personnel and Marketing Officer. Kindly note, a single person can apply only in one post. Okay, let's go to the banks which are participating. These are Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank and Union Bank. Let's see what are the tentative schedule of the examination. It has 3 type examination: preliminary, main and interview. The online registration has already started from 3rd November. Last date is 23rd November. Payment is up to 23rd November. Download of call letters, it will be provided in December. The first step is on 26th December 2021. The result of the first step, preliminary, will be given January 22 and the main call letter will be given to the January 22, and the examinations for the main is on 30 January. So anyone interested can apply. Still the examination date application is available. Let's look into the eligibility criteria. So as usual, the first criteria is of the national citizenship of India, Nepal, Bhutan and Tibetan refugees, and then they can apply. As you can see, for details you can look into the notification. So the second is the age limit. Age limit is minimum 20 years and maximum 30 years. A candidate must have been born not earlier than 1991 and not later than 2001. That is the year is given. So let's go for the education qualification record. Different post has different requirements. You can see those requirements from job notification. For a short form, let's discuss. For IT officer, you need 4-year engineering in degree in computer science, computer application, information technology, electronics, or any postgraduate degree in the same subject, or a graduate having passed DOAC of the BE level. So if you have any IT certificate or diploma course, anyone can apply for this post. You must have the certificate, so remind you the certificate. Let's go for the agriculture. Same for agriculture, you need 4 years degree in agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry and other food technology, dairy technology. You can apply. Rashtrawa Adhikari, postgraduate degree in Hindi with English as a subject in degree or graduation level, or postgraduate degree in Sanskrit with English and Hindi as a subject in a degree level. For law officer, a bachelor degree in law and enrolls as an advocate with bar council. For HR person, graduate and 2 years full-time postgraduate degree or 2 years time of post for HR, HRD, social work level. Marketing officer, graduate and 2 years full-time marketing or 2 years full-time MBA and others. So anyone can apply who have this minimum qualification can apply for this job. Let's look into the all educational qualification. Mention should be from university and institution board of recognized government of India approved by the regulatory bodies, and the final result should have been declared on or before 23rd 11/2021. You must look for this. And the calculation of percentage, it is like that: the percentage marks shall be arrived at by dividing the total marks obtained by the candidate in all subjects in all semester by aggregate maximum marks, and the total multiplied by 100. This will be applicable for those individuals who has class grade be decided on the basis of honors marks. The fraction of percentage so arrived will be ignored. By 59.99% will be treated as less than 60%, and 54.99% will be treated as less than 55%. So now look at the different steps. What are the 3 procedures? What are the marks distributions? For preliminary examination, for law officer and Rashtrawa Adhikari, you have 1 examination, and for IT officer, agriculture, field, HR person, another examination. The examinations type, marks and time duration are the same. The difference is in the subject. What is the subject for law officer and Rashtrawa Adhikari is English language, reasoning and general awareness. The time duration is same. For each subject, it is 40 minutes, and marks are the 25, 50 and 50 and number of questions is same in 50-50. The difference main for IT officer is that instead of general awareness with special reference to banking industry, quantitative aptitude is added. These time durations and marks distributions are the same. Let's look into the main examination distributions. So main examinations for IT officer, agriculture field officer, it's a personal. You have to write professional knowledge. Number of questions will be 60, maximum marks is 60. Medium of exchange, both English and Hindi, and time duration is 45 minutes. For the post of Rajbashir Adhikari, professional knowledge objective, that is 45 question, maximum of 60. Professional knowledge descriptive, 2 questions, 60, both English and Hindi, and 30 minutes. These are the subject for the mains examinations. Let's look into the penalty for the wrong answer. There is a wrong answer both in online preliminary and main exam. The wrong answers penalty is candidate 1/4 or 0.25 of the marks assigned to that question. Please kindly note, it is not the 0.25, it is 0.25 into the mark assigned to that question. Then examination center. So you can go for any details of examination center. You can look into the notification, or here is the detail mention. Kindly read. Let's go for the cut-off score. Each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in the test of online main examination, and also secure sufficiently high score to be considered to be shortlisted for interview. Kindly note, the marks for preliminary examination for each subject, everyone has to qualify the minimum cut-off. Same with the main examinations. Marks obtained in the online examinations will be considered only. Marks obtained in the online main examination will be considered for shortlisting for interview, and also for the merit list. Then interview. For interview, candidates who are shortlisted for online main examinations will be subsequently called for interview to be conducted by the participant banks and conducted by the nodal banks in the each state and UT. The center and address of the venue and time of the interview will be informed to the shortlisted candidates in the call letter. However, the conducting agency reserved to the right to change the date, venue, time, and center. So this is for the interview. Now look into the procedure for applying online. Candidates are required to go to the IBPS channel. Here there is the open link, CRP specialist officer. From there anyone can apply. What are the minimum requirement for the apply? Is that photograph, signature, left hand thumb, and a handwritten declaration. Okay, so this is the 4 requirement. Anyone for details can go through the size of the what is the minimum size required for the photograph, signature, and left hand thumb. The handwritten declaration is as such. This is the handwritten declaration anyone has to submit, and the submission only, it should not be in capital letters I, and then write your name and write this in normal small letter and submit it. So this is and the payment for SC/ST is 185, and for a general is 850 with inclusive with all GST. So anyone interested can go through the online application form and submit it. It will take barely 5 to 6 minutes to complete the application procedure. You still have time up to the 23rd